Hello, Tony Bear, TV News. Welcome. We have a special treat today. Police body cam footage from the airport in Florida. I guess the airport police in Florida wear body cams. And this is a well-known actor who's arrested with 2 firearms, 2 clips, and allegedly syrup, a bottle of syrup without prescriptions. And he was taken in. But this is great. I do a lot of these videos. Look at on my playlist. A lot of celebrities I've gotten. I got a lot of regular people with firearms. But this is behind the scenes of TSA. You may learn something. So when you do leave the house, always check your bags and make sure if you have a legal firearm not to have it in your bag, or check it with the airlines. Do it the legal way. Interesting video, and I thank my friend for sending it to me. Fair use, of course. So sit back and enjoy. This is his bag. We had the 2 clips and the syrup. Here's the video.
My ID's in my bag.
In the bag?
Yes, sir, listen, I'm a minor, sir. I have security guards. They left that in my bag, sir. I did not pack my bag.
Well, we can get that all straight to checkpoint reference to prohibited item firearms at lane number 2 Delta checkpoint. And advise the Delta unit. Because that looks like there's firearms in it.
Sir, listen, I swear to God, I'm not in that bag. That's my little brother's bag.
Okay.
Sir, listen, I swear to God, sir.
I know, but
Sir,
unfortunately,
sir,
there's certain procedures we have to follow
Okay,
anytime something comes in that's prohibited, correct?
Right, so listen, sir.
You understand that, correct?
Can you please give me
You have your ID on you?
Sir, my ID's in my bag.
In the bag?
Yes, sir, listen, I'm a minor, sir. I have security guards. They left that in my bag, sir. I did not pack my bag.
Well, we can get that all straightened out
Please,
after the fact, okay?
Thank you.
But until then, I have to put you in handcuffs until we figure this out.
Okay.
Okay, you understand that?
Can I call my mom or somebody, please?
We'll do that after.
Okay.
All right, just turn around for me. Be cooperative. Everything's on video and audio surveillance. Plus, I'm on Bodycam. You understand that?
Sure, yes, I understand.
Okay. This is just for your safety and everybody else around you because there's guns involved, okay, or possible guns. We have to confirm it. Okay, X-ray doesn't tell us 100%, okay? It just says there's a possibility, and that's what it appears to be. You understand? Do you have anything else on you at this point?
No, sir, I promise I don't.
Okay.
Just an actor, sir.
No, I understand.
Man.
Do you have a concealed weapons permit or anything like that?
I don't, sir. They left that in my bag. My little brother's he was outside waiting for me, sir. I promise you, sir, that's not mine.
Okay.
I have security guards, sir.
Okay.
See how much jewelry I have on me?
Listen, that's okay if you got that. The problem is bringing it into the checkpoint.
Sir, but I would
Just have
never
a seat
do
for
that.
me.
My mom's a flight attendant.
Just have a seat.
I would never do that, sir. I promise you, man. I went to private school. I'm a good kid, man.
I'm not saying you're bad. Have I mistreated you or anything?
Not at all. Not at all, sir. I'm just trying to tell you, sir.
But you understand the severity of what is occurring, right?
I would never do this. I fly every week.
Listen, if what you're telling me is true, we can work things out, okay?
Please, officer, please. I'm working.
But there's procedures we have to follow. It looks like possibly 2 guns and a few mags. He's saying that he's an actor and he has private security guards.
Does he have a security weapons permission?
No,
No,
sir.
he doesn't have a.
Listen, sir, I just want to tell
All
you.
right, his ID and everything's supposedly in the bag.
Listen, sir, I want to tell you 1 second. I fly every week, sir. I have 2 security guards, and we are rushing to the airport. I have a premiere. I'm an actor. That's why I have a big chain. Me and 50 Cent have a TV show.
Okay.
Sir, this will ruin my life.
Do you have a concealed weapons permit?
No, sir, but I have
Sit
never.
tight, don't say a word.
Okay. I would never bring this in the airport, sir. I promise you.
Are they traveling with you?
No, they're in the car, but I promise you. They left
Okay,
it in
is
my
there a
bag,
number
sir.
for them?
Yes, I have a number for
And
them. But I don't
is
see my
it a
body.
company that works for you? Like you hire? Or they're like personal?
Personal security guards. Sir.
Right, but do you
I have a phone.
hire them independently? You hire them
Yes,
through like
I hire
an
them
agency?
independently.
Okay. What's your first name, sir?
God, Demetrius Fennerly, Demetrius. I'm gonna miss my flight.
What time is your flight?
We're boarding at 2 p.m.
Yeah, you're definitely not making it because it's almost 2 now.
Oh,
And what's your last name?
oh my God. F-L-E-N-O-R-Y.
F-L-E-N
N-O-R-Y.
as in November? Or M as in Mike? Sorry, while you were talking, this was going in my ear.
L-E-N-O-R-Y.
N.
O-R-Y.
O-R-Y.
Oh my God, these people are going to please.
And what's your date of birth?
422.
Was it?
April 22nd, 2000. Man.
30 guys.
Man, I promise you, sir. Oh my God. I can't believe this, man.
Never mind, I thought you were calling.
So you have no idea, man.
And where you live, here or somewhere else?
Yes, I live here. I'm born
What's your
and
address
raised
here? Was that Hollywood?
Yes, sir. Hollywood, Florida.
What's the zip over there?
33019. Yes, sir. If you grab my phone, I can have the security guard tell you yourself that you left them in there, sir. I was rushing to the airport. I promise you, sir.
What's this phone number to the
I
guy?
don't know. I have to get it from my phone. I don't know. My phone is right there by my bags, though, sir.
All right, we'll work that out then, okay?
Please work with me. sir.
What's his name?
Please.
What's
Omar.
this? Omar?
Please.
R-I-G-H-T?
Yes, and Mandrell Rowe, security guard.
And what's the other guy's name?
Mandrell, M-A-N-D-R-E-L-L.
M-A-N-D?
R-E-L-L.
Uh-huh. Bro, okay. And those are your security?
Yes, those are my security.
And you know who packed your bag?
Yes. Security packed my bag, sir. I would never do this, sir.
Is that something normal? Because, like, unfortunately, when you come, I know, but unfortunately, when you come through, one of the questions is, have you packed your own bag? Because you're responsible for
They never asked
anything
me.
in
I
it.
have clear. I have clear, sir. They never asked me that, but I have clear. They never asked me that.
Right, I'm just saying, but those are one of the standard ones when you book your ticket. It tells you make sure, because...
So listen, I'm an actor. I fly
Yeah,
every
I
3-4
got
days,
you.
sir. And I listen. I move fast, sir. Actor. I fly
Yeah,
every
I
3-4
got
days,
you.
sir. And I listen. I move fast, sir. That's why I was late here coming. My flight's boarding right now.
And you flying with Delta today?
Yes, I fly with Delta. My mom works for Delta 30 years.
Which flight you going on, you know?
Delta,
To where?
FLL to DTW to Detroit. I have a premiere tomorrow. I'm an actor. My show is literally on Stars. Like, if I go to jail, my career is ruined, sir.
So, well, nobody says you're going to jail yet, okay? We have to verify everything and check what's your status before we make that determination, okay? But I'll tell you, normally our policy here is if you have a concealed weapons permit and you bring one in, listen, it's an arrestable offense, but we don't physically arrest you, but we arrest you on paper and you promise to go to court on it. If you don't have a concealed weapons, our general policy, everything is subject to, you know, circumstances, but our general policy is that we have to physically arrest you and take you physically to jail and bond out if you don't have one. That's our normal process, okay? But as our supervisor's called to, they have the capability of taking all the circumstances in place, and they can override that general policy and make exceptions to it. Okay? I don't know what's going to happen because I'm not the boss. You understand?
Can I talk to the boss, sir?
So we'll get to that once he's going to be on the way. Because anytime firearm comes, the supervisor has to show up.
So we have to, we're going to clear his property once you guys take out the gun, but he also needs a attachment.
Okay.
Well, once we clear and whatnot.
Okay.
You know where your boarding pass and ID is?
It's in my bag.
In the bag?
Yes.
In the bag with the zipper on the top? The long
Small
bag?
bag.
Small bag.
My ID. My ID. My ID.
If I once I get his, you have his ID?
I haven't done
I got name and date of birth. Okay, I'll run it like this if you want, but usually I wait for the ID and get it. It's not. It's just anything that's like computer based has to be out. Any electronics has to be outside independent.
Man, good thing I ain't need to catch my flight.
You're not on the same flight?
Huh?
You guys are not on the same
We're on the
flight?
same flight, but I'm just saying, like, I'm glad it ain't like,
Oh, you guys don't know each other? I thought you guys were.
oh, no. He's
Oh,
at
okay.
the, I seen him on TV.
Oh, okay. I got you. So we don't have a back, unfortunately. That's TSA. That's not ours.
Oh, that's the secret.
Yes, that's their private screening if they had to search you. It's not ours. So what show are you on?
BMF. It's called BMF. 50 Cent. You know 50 Cent?
Yeah. I know 50. He has his own show?
It's my show.
Oh, it's your show.
It's my show.
Oh, he like supports it or sponsors it or something? Or?
Found out this
So
happened.
what does BMF stand for? I see it on your chain.
It stands for Black Mafia. It's like my dad had like this little crew. My dad was like, like the Black Pablo Escobar.
Right, okay.
Back in the 80s. He went to jail and everything. And 50 just made a show about it, and I got blessed to play him.
Okay, so you played your dad.
Playing my dad.
Okay.
You like The Sopranos, like
Okay,
2
good.
seasons long. On the 2nd season right now.
So how was that experience? You don't have to answer. I'm just asking out of
It's
curiosity.
amazing. I love it. That's why I take my career serious, man. Like I fly with security, but today they couldn't come because I had to hurry up and make this
But
flight.
it looks like your security screwed up and they left stuff in your bag instead of taking it with them.
They did. Because we have a lot of firearms. So that was the 2 firearms. We have 4 firearms. They carry 2 apiece. But they left the 2 in my bag because they are at my condo last night. I told them to pack my bag. I don't know why they left it in there. So, and it was an honest mistake. Like I don't even play like that, man. My mom's a flight attendant for Delta for 30 years.
She's based out of here or Atlanta?
New York.
Oh, New York?
She's born, raised here. Me and her have a condo in Miami. My premiere is tomorrow.
But you'll make it tomorrow. And worst case is, I'll tell you, you get booked. You have to physically. That's worst case scenario. You have to physically go to jail, bond out, which usually takes six hours or so, and then you get out and you could make a late flight out. You know, that's the worst case scenario.
The address on your driver license, is that a good address or?
From Michigan? I'm from Michigan too. I just looked it up because I see your team like, oh, that's from that show, but I've never watched that show. It's a good one, huh?
Yeah.
I'm from Saginaw, 2 hours. Yeah.
Alright, cousin. I love you, boy. You sure you don't need your phone calls, bro?
I'm gonna wait till they done. I don't want to disrespect them.
Okay. As long as you're an asshole, they look out for you.
He's not in charge though, so it's not up to him, you know. So he's not in charge.
The sergeant hasn't showed up yet. Once he shows up, you can take it.
How you doing, brother?
And yourself?
Doing all right. Doing all right.
No, he's not.
No. Just ran over there. Give me a second. Get my breath.
Very good. Apparently, he's an actor with the show BMF. His security, armed security, apparently packed his bag for him. And apparently they left some guns and ammo in his bag in the rush to catch this flight.
Okay.
And he's claiming that his flight was booked by agents and the flight was full, so he's separated from his security right now.
I have proof of everything.
But he's saying he could call security, but he personally does not have a CCF.
22 years old, sir. I would never
So
do something.
that's where we're at right now. Were you on a flight or?
No, there's several now in the airport.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I didn't even know. Everything changes here.
Hey, we're trying to get our word out. That way you guys know, you give us a call if you need a hand or need to go get lunch or coffee for you.
The officers who's handling the cases over there with the bag, with the firearms.
All black one?
No, the oldest looking car here.
Are y'all putting me in the old one?
Yeah, unfortunately my car broke down, so this is the one we got right now.
It's got more room than my car. So.